lesson is on factorization using difference of two squares. So you know that when you are factorizing a quadratic, we always have our double brackets. Okay, so factorizing is putting things in brackets. We always our double brackets. So on this one, this is a pretty easy one. On this one, we have got a difference of two squares. So difference, it means you're taking away. Okay, and that will give us a square number if you square any number. So on these ones, you need to know your square numbers. So if I do 1 squared, that would be 1. 2 squared, that would be 4. 3 squared, 9. 4 squared, 16. 5 squared, 25, and so forth. So all these are square numbers. So on here, if you multiply any number, if you square it, you get a square number, and that's a square number. So what you do first, you need to find the square root of minus 49. So we've got a minus 49, which means when you times to two numbers, you should get minus 49. And the square root of 49 is 7. But we need to get a minus 49. So if you times minus 7 plus 7, you get a minus 49. So which means x minus 7, x plus 7. So you're factorizing using the difference of two squares. So let's try another one. So first thing, our double brackets first. Okay, but only is slightly different because we start with a number and with a letter, but it's exactly the same thing. That's a square number. That will give us a square number. So what is the square root of 16? Which is 4. And remember, I need a minus, so the other one has to be positive and the other one has to be negative. So that will be plus y minus y. So I'll factorize the second. So that's different of two squares. Okay, on the next one, a little bit tricky, but however, we can still do it. Okay, on here, I don't have any square numbers, but I can simplify it by using common factors first before I can factorize, because 2 can go there and 2 can go into 18. So let's simplify that. So which means if I simplify by 2 and then I'll divide into the quadratic, so 2 into 2x squared, I'll be left with x squared, and then 2 into 18, that will be minus 9. Can you see what I have in the brackets? I have got the difference of two squares again. So which means I can easily do this. So I will have my 2 is still there. X, because I need the square root of 9, which is 3. So the other one will be minus 3. X plus 3. Because if I times a minus 3 plus 3, I'll get a minus 9. Okay, let's try another one, which is this one. So this one is still similar to the top one, because I don't have the square numbers. So what do I need to do? Because I've got a coefficient there. So what I need to do is I need to simplify this first. Okay, so 2x can go into both. So I'll put my 2x outside the brackets. Then I'll open my brackets. So 2x into x to the power 3. I'll be left with x to the power 2. Then minus, because you remember, difference is always, it has to have a negative. Okay, then 2x into 50x, I'll be having 25. Okay, can you see inside? Now I've got a difference of two squares. What that means is now I'll have 2x. Now I can simplify this. Remember, my double brackets. Okay, square root of 25 is 5, but the other one has to be a negative because I need a negative 25. So that will be minus 5 plus 5. Okay, then you are done. Worksheet to practice on difference of two squares is at the end of the video. Do that, send it for marking so that you can do the next level.